Hey y'all, thanks for watching. So this video is going to be a little different than what you're used to on this channel. I just want to go over a few things that I've made that I didn't make videos on and kind of lay out where I want this channel to go. Even though I've been super busy, I want to commit to putting out one video per week. I haven't decided on an exact day yet, but I'll let you know. Moved into this house not too long ago and basically redoing it from the ground up. Still need to repaint the whole house, but I'm going room by room from top to bottom. I'll show you my dining room over there in a second, and you can see what I mean by that. One last thing before I show you a few of my projects. If you don't know, I made a Patreon. I've been posting it in the description of all my videos, and I'm trying to figure out what types of incentives I'm going to offer to my patrons. So if you have any suggestions, drop them in the comments. I know I get tons and tons of comments, but believe me, I respond to all of them. Anyways, let's check out the first project, probably the reason I made this channel, and that's my desk right here. Let's get another action shot. I wanted a platform a little bit lower to put my computer. There she is. I built that computer 2 or 3 years ago. I don't remember. Here's the drawers. I couldn't come up with something creative for the handles. So as you can see, I just cut a piece of angle steel and tapped it and put some nuts on it. That sounded weird. We added a little headset holder because I'm a gamer. No, I haven't played in many months. Here's some pictures I took along the way. You can see me just setting up the frame. Here we're adding the framing for the drawers. Working on the desktop part. More desktop part. Positioning the shelf. Creating the drawers. That was not very fun because I don't have a metal brake. I guess we're skipping ahead to painting. Here you can see it's fully modular, put together, and finished product. And on to the next project. So I might have seen this in the background while I was showing off the desk. This is an all-steel guitar I made in high school out of just scrap steel we had lying around the shop. That's why it's welded in the middle there, because I didn't have a big enough piece. Same thing right here, but I grinded it flat on the back. Actually, this is 3 pieces. I never took the mill scale off right here. So I was a pretty new welder when I did this. I did this MIG welding though, which if you read my descriptions, I want a MIG welder. We'll get there. It actually works. I took my Taylor guitar and copied the scale on it. So the scale is correct. I don't remember. I just found this wire and welded it on the lowest setting to make frets. It's kind of in tune. The forbidden riff. So it doesn't sound incredible, but I didn't make it to sound great. I made it because it looks cool. Also, it weighs like 40 pounds. And the rust developed over a couple years sitting in my mom's garage while I was off in the military. So kind of like it. I'm going to keep the rust. Let's take a trip over to the dining room. Here's the dining room. I just got some new windows put in the house. First thing I did was I removed the popcorn ceiling. I haven't primed the ceiling yet because I'm waiting to finish all the drywall mudding in here, and then I'm going to prime the whole room, and then I can paint. I'm also updating all the trim with modern trim. There's no trim here on the windows. These are new windows. Energy efficient. This is my new favorite tool. If you don't have one, you should get one. It's great. Or should I play hot cross buns? Okay. Easy. So while you're watching this video, I'm out on vacation. That's why we don't have a project video today. Some good coffee. Good cup too. Thank you everyone for watching. I appreciate your support. If you made it all the way to the end, leave a comment on what your favorite video of mine is so far. Thanks for watching.